Welcome to Design School. Here we don't just learn how to make things, we learn how to make things sense.
I'm the sketchhead. I see products even before they exist.
I am the builder. I break it to make it better.
I'm the stylist. I turn functions into obsession.
At Chandigarh University School of Design, creativity meets the cutting edge. With advanced prototype labs, international collaborations, and packages going up to 17 LPA, we don't just create designers, we launch the design leaders.
Enroll now in Bachelors of Design, Product and Industrial Design at Chandigarh University. Admissions are open.